Hello everyone, welcome to JH Softtech. I'm Vikramaditya here. Let's discuss about one more issue that we normally get in SAP HANA SLT and the solution for that as well. So when we are doing the SLT configuration, error occurs when selecting the database. So normally the error is like this: SLT configuration error occurred when selecting from database. That's the error. So let's see the solution for this now. So while doing the SLT configuration, the error occurred when selecting from database. So we have LTR configuration creates the user SLT in HANA, but doesn't seem to create schema specific roles. SLT underscore data underscore PROV, SLT underscore power underscore user, SLT underscore user admin, and SLT underscore data select. So also getting this error in LTR configuration. The error occurred when selecting from database. This is what will be the normal error that we'll see. So this is the error occurred when selecting database. So this is what will come. So the solution for this is what I'm discussing right now. Solution for this is to update HANA client on SLT server to the same version of HANA target system. Update this HANA client on SLT server to the same version of HANA target system. HANA client can be found on HANA DVD, which you can download from the SAP website. Just run the install file for the OS you are running. So this is something which we have to do. So we need to first find out the client, update the client in which we have the SLT server, and then we should be able to do it. We should be able to download that from the HANA DVD. And then we have to just run the OS you are running. So otherwise you have to inform the administration people to do this. So we need to give the exact solution to the administration people. So what we need to do, tell them is like we need to make sure that HANA client will be found in the HANA DVD, which you have to download from the website, or you can also install the file from the OS you are running, so operating system that you are running. So I hope this would be cleaning up the second error. And if you are looking out for any kind of trainings, you can contact us at training@jhsofttech.com. We have many ways in which we can train you on real-time projects, and there will also be one-to-one sessions and classroom sessions, online sessions, weekend sessions. We have many things to do. And if you are looking out for any kind of trainings in software, do contact us and check out with us, and we'll give you the best. And if you're looking out for jobs, you can contact at jobs@jhsofttech.com. And if you still haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe at youtube.com/jhsofttech. Thank you. Have a great day.